In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google reCAPTCHA in WPForms. This is a great way to help protect your WordPress forms from spam and automated submissions. We'll go through the full setup inside WPForms, connect it with Google reCAPTCHA, and then make sure it's enabled on the form you want to protect. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, go to WPForms, then Settings, and click on the CAPTCHA tab. This is where WPForms lets you connect different CAPTCHA services to your site. In the CAPTCHA settings, choose reCAPTCHA as your provider. After that, you'll need to pick the reCAPTCHA type you want to use. WPForms gives you three options: V2 checkbox reCAPTCHA, which shows the familiar "I'm not a robot" checkbox; V2 invisible reCAPTCHA, which works more quietly in the background; and V3 reCAPTCHA, which scores traffic behind the scenes with little or no interruption for the user. Choose the option that best matches the experience you want for your visitors. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the Google reCAPTCHA admin console. Sign in with your Google account so you can register your website. Once you're in the console, click the plus icon to create a new site registration. Now fill out the registration form. You'll need to enter a label so you can recognize this setup later. Choose the same reCAPTCHA type you selected in WPForms and add your site's domain. Make sure the domain is entered correctly, since this is what allows Google to validate requests from your website. When that's done, accept the terms of service and click Submit. Google will then generate two important pieces of information: a site key and a secret key. Copy both of these carefully. These keys connect your WordPress site to your reCAPTCHA account, so it's important to place them in the correct fields. Go back to your WordPress admin tab under WPForms, Settings, and CAPTCHA. Scroll down and paste the site key and secret key into their matching fields. Then click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to store the connection. Once the integration is saved, go to WPForms, then All Forms, and click Edit on the form you want to protect. Inside the form builder, look over to the left panel. You should see that reCAPTCHA is enabled, and a reCAPTCHA enabled badge will appear in the top right area of the builder. That confirms the form is using your new spam protection. To finish up, click Save in the top right corner of the form builder so your changes are applied. And that's how to set up Google reCAPTCHA in WPForms.